i35equipment.com. This is a Cat 613C scraper. To be really honest, we're calling it a 613C. That's what they told us it was. I could not find that model anywhere, and the number is pretty worn off. So there's your disclosure and disclaimer. This machine has not ran in a few years. It's been sitting. We do welcome you to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, hire someone who wants to come to you so you can get a professional opinion if you like. It's going to be sold as part of a package of 3 scrapers out here at our shop. Feel free to call with any questions. You can see all the photos and specs on our website, as well as our full and up-to-date inventory. The website is i35equipment.com. If you'd like a hauling quote, feel free to give us a call, text, email, fill out the form on the website with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a wrecking service. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, we welcome you to arrange for your own hauling. Or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. .525 tire here. Appreciate you watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Like I said earlier, check back on the website for our full and up-to-date inventory. I appreciate you. Have a great day.